Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today we're going to unbox the newest phone, Mi 10s from Xiaomi. What the hell does S mean? Does it mean salmon? Nah, just kidding. I guess S means small. As Xiaomi said, this is small upgrade from the Mi 10 lineup. You see, even the package becomes smaller, obviously without the charger. Anyway, let's just unbox it. The first layer includes a connector, some paperwork, and a phone case those. Then the brand new Mi 10s phone. Compared to the Mi 10, the front 6.67-inch AMOLED screen design and the overall 280-gram weight stay the same. While for the dual stereo speakers, we can see there is a Harman Kardon logo. That means this phone should be able to provide an excellent audio quality. According to DxOMark, this is the best speaker setup it has tested. We'll get to that in a few seconds. While for others, the biggest difference from the Mi 10 is the rear camera, which adopts the same design language as the Mi 10 Ultra. Speaking of the camera, let's go over the specs really quickly. The vertical range camera module has a 108 megapixel primary with OIS support and f1.6 lens aperture, a 30 megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 123-degree FOV, a 2 megapixel macro lens, and a 2 megapixel depth of field lens. The phone carries support for 8K video shooting at 30 FPS. As time is short, we only took a few photos and compared with the Mi 11. I would say there isn't that much of a big difference. What do you think? By the way, before we move to the next part, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Your support is the real motivation for me to put continuous effort into my videos. Now, to the most important part, the audio test. Sorry guys, while our team was testing the audio comparison, we didn't realize some of the songs are copyrighted. So in this video, I'm unable to present you all of the songs we tested, but you can check out our partner YMTech's YouTube channel for more if you're interested.
Thank you. Are you okay? Hello, thank you very much. Hello, thank you very much. Thank you. Are you okay? Hello, thank you very much. Hello, thank you very much. Hello, thank you very much. Hello, thank you very much.
I'm not an audiophile, so I'm unable to give you professional analysis, but what can I tell you from my impression is the Mi 10s has a really loud and good balanced audio. It sounds full-bodied and crystal clear. I would probably use it as my daily go-to music player if I get bored. What do you think about the audio performance? Let me know in the comment section. For others, the Mi 10s is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset with 8 and 12 gigs LPDDR5 RAM next to 128 or 256 gigs UFS 3.0 storage. From our test, it has a really good performance in various game tests. The average FPS is 87.8 for the Galore of the King, 58.6 for the PUBG, and 50.9 for the Genshin Impact game. We also found the temperature is quite acceptable after half an hour of game playing. I guess this is because the Mi 10s is equipped with vapor chamber liquid cooling technology for heat dissipation. The phone's battery comes in at 4780 mAh and supports 33-watt wired, 30-watt wireless, and 10-watt reverse wireless charging. The Mi 10s will be available in black, blue, and white colors. For the price and availability, you can check out the link in the description. Alright, that's the video. What do you guys think about the Mi 10s? What you consider is the best music phone in 2021? Let me know in the comment section. Stay subscribed. I'm Sammy, and I will see you in the next one.